kong si Fachay. Ayan, nagluluto na si Mister para mamaya. Kasi same lang din sa atin, di ba? Pag midnight. Ayan. Pero mag-celebrate kami ng maaga kasi nga mga kids. So, ayan. Nagpe-prepare na siya. And guys, the food is wow, this is mushrooms and scallops na may broccoli, then soup, chicken soup, and then prawn. This is chicken, guys, chicken, and we have the vegetable that cabbage. I know, lettuce. Kung si Pachay ate haven't. Si Chen. Kung si Pachay. Si Hey. Si Chen. Busy mga kids kapapanood. Ayan. See you. Hey. Yung tatlong magkakamukha. Ayan. Let's eat. So, ito guys, yung binili namin orange kanina. Ayan. So, how much is this, honey? Huh? $12, $12.80, right? How many pieces? 24 pieces, right? Ayan, guys. So, 24 pieces siya, guys. Ayan, for $12.80. Madami na siya. Malalaki din yung orange niya, guys. And then, pinagpilian namin to kasi may, sa isang box, pwede kang magpili. Kasi minsan, may mga, may mga sira-sirang orange na. So, ito yung magaganda. Medyo pinili na namin. Ayan. Ang ingay ng anak ko na naglalaro, oh. Ew. Naglalaro. Ayan, naayos namin yung bahay at last. Ayan, hindi na siya masyadong makalat. Oh, di ba? Maayos na siya. And happy Chinese New Year, guys. Nagluto si Mr. ng breakfast. So, first day ng Chinese New Year, guys, bawal yung pork. Kaya, ayan, wala siyang pork, wala siyang meat, gulay, and then, siya, parang bihon. What do you call that? Ha?
Tanghon.
Tanghon. Sutanghon. Sutanghon siya, guys. Kung sa atin, sutanghon. Yan, sa Chinese is tanghon. Ayan. So, ganun, guys, kapag, unang araw ng bagong taon sa kanila, bawal yung karne. Ayan, kailangan puro gulay lang. Doon, di ba, pagpapasok sa atin naman, pagpapasok yung bagong taon, andun yung mga bonggang, handaan. Sa kanila, hindi. Kailangan healthy. And, magluluto ako ng lumpia. Ayan, puro lang siya veggie, guys. Puro lang siya veggie. Dadalhin namin siya sa Sa zoo kasi pupunta kami mamaya. Hi guys, sasabay na kami. Grabing nakapagod. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi umiiyak na si Siwei. So, ayan na siya. Andun siya, oh. So, magbibigay mo na ng angpao. Kailangan daw first day ng New Year, Chinese New Year. Ayan.
You just stand up. Stand up.
Tumindog kayo ling ka man.
Okay.
No, it can see.
Also can. It's good.
I will sit there, honey. You sit down here.
You line up here, line up. Look how line up. There you line up.
Find your height according to your weight. Why you're the first one, ate? Go. You're supposed to be the last one. Hey,
Oh, the first one is a big
Then
one.
you're the first one, and I'm the next one.
The first one is the big one.
No, look behind. The big one first.
The big one first. Oh, you see you go behind.
Okay, donkey. Papa, is it? I'm the next.
One by one.
Ding.
Wait. Jump. You no. Wait.
You.
Feel.
Okay. Siwei.
One more.
One. I give one what?
Yeah, my parents one.
Okay. Parents.
Okay. You.
I need to bring you again there.
Okay, patayin mo na yan.
Yeah. Siya mo.
Ang ingay natin. Okay, chusa mo.
Ayo.
Chusa mo.
Tensin ka.
What is that?
Ah.
Good health. Okay, good health. One more. Good health.
那你小的
Happy
有
day.
grandparents give to you 啊，奶奶爷爷给你的，知道吗？啊，你要讲谢谢。
Okay, next.
你讲什么？
What are you going to say? Chusa mo.
还有
Hayo.
还有，
Sino si Louie?
来身体健康。
And then your grandparents.
那奶奶跟
Okay, si
奶
Hay.
奶给你啊。
Papa, mag-give you lalabo.
Wait, you haven't say anything. You get.
You have to say first.
Let's open our umbrella.
What do you say?
Go si Pachay.
Go see Pachay. Go see Louis. Let's go see Pachay. Sing and cry love.
Pepe, si.
What do you say? You say 恭喜发财。
Go see Pachay. Sing and cry love. Want to Louis.
Okay. Then, what is
Yeah.
good health? Yes,
身体
good
健
health.
康。啊。恭。
Say gong si Pachay. Say
Go see Pachay.
More. More? No, only
Okay,
three.
one more.
Here. One more. Here. One more. More.
Why did you say?
My baby, good health for you, Lalab. Yay!
Happy
Happy New Year! Chinese New Year! Gongsi Pachay! Gongsi! Gongsi Pachay, ha?
Open my phone.
Si Chen. See you. Huy. Si Chen, see you. Do you know how much money you have?
No.
You never check, right?
Ma.
Only have 3? Wow, that's a lot, ate, ah. How much money you have? Ha? Sa ang saang pau lang, ate, ha? How much?
104.
Please.
Ha?
104.
104, pati kay ba na itong sa kapitbahay?
No.
Not yet, total the total
104.
108.
100.
Fish. Okay.
110.
Fish. Okay.
112. I think.
112? That like almost 3,000 na. Less than 4,000. Let me see. Can you open your wallet? Wow! Mas dakol pa ang pera mo sa pera ko
I know.
Wala akong na-receive.
$100 lang.
So, ayan. That's it for the day, guys. First day pa lang to ng Chinese New Year. Medyo mahaba-haba pa kasi ilang araw yung celebration nila. So, first day pa lang pagod na kami. So, ayan, guys. Hope to see you again sa susunod naming videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago naming video. Don't pull the love. Ayan. And you don't forget to comment kung meron kayong mga suggestion or meron kayong may gusto man kayong sabihin. Ayan. So, hope to see you again sa susunod naming video. Bye! Gong si Fachai! Say bye.
Then I'm feeding
Bye.
her
Bye!
fork. Going to fetch a fork.